service?
Hold on.
It's dumb. I don't know what to do with it.
Alright, what the hell is this? What do you got there?
This is your car.
My car? I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
You could push this across the finish line or tow it.
Couldn't even tow that across the finish line.
No faith.
Oh, I have faith in you, but this isn't a junkyard, this is a garage.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Christmas. Oh, I can't wait to see those faces. I'm driving home for Christmas, yeah. Moving down the line, and it's been so long, but I will be there. I sing this song time away, driving in my car, driving home for Christmas. It's gonna take some time, but I'll get there. So I'll sing for you, though you can't hear me when I get through, and feel you near me. Driving home for Christmas. Driving home for Christmas with 1,000 memories. I'm driving home for Christmas. Holy ground.
Hello starlet guys, how are you today? As you can see guys, this is the starlet GT hoods here. So yeah, this is the front side, I mean top side, and this is the bottom side of the starlet GT hoods. Actually this is a very high quality fiber made. It's fiber made hood, so it's a master copy. It's called, you can see this is it's a really very nice shapes and conditions, and you know it's a master copy, so you know specially made from original GT hoods. So this is the master copy of starlet GT hoods. So it's made one of for my client, starlet clients. So yeah, so that is the condition actually, you can see. So I decided I'll just make a video for you guys for your basic informations to learn how it looks, and yeah, I think it's helpful for you guys. So it's well, wait a minute. Yeah, you can see the closely looks here. Okay, so this is the bottom side actually, you can see. And this is the first finishing actually, this is the first finishing. So you know, a lot of times when you refinish it, revarnish, repaint, you know, everything you do properly when you install in the car, it looks, I think, very super fantastic, super duper. Depends how you finish it, okay? Depends how you gonna finish it, how you gonna take care of it, how you gonna fit to the car, you know, how you gonna paint it, how you gonna wrap it, and polish it, how you gonna polish, how you gonna paint, how you gonna, you know, sanding. So yeah, depends how you know, make it more looks more fantastic, more sweet, Okay, so depends on you. This is the first time, first finishing. Just it's made with high quality fiber. So you can see this. You can say this is the GT fiber hoods, starlet GT hoods made by fiber. And yeah, I have this actually, you know, for you guys if you're interested. You know, I don't gonna force you. I'm not forcing you or requesting you on, or you know, I just this video for only for basic info. You know, for you guys, starlet guys. You know, maybe some people looking the starlet GT hoods. It's very rare now. So that this is the GT hoods. So okay, so guys, this is the top side. And this is the bottom side. I think you were clear what I'm talking to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Have a nice ride. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for today, and hopefully you like these hoods. I hope so. Starlet guys. All right, man. Thank you so much, and see you back with my next video, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. Bye. Hello guys, how are you? This is starlet GT hoods nose. It's called the nose. So I think you are familiar with this product. This is made by fiber from the original hood, so it's one copy. And this is also we got some. This is the quad lights casing. This is the starlet GT quad light casing made from original copy, and made from the original casing. So it's a quality, actually quality fiber made. So if you paint it and refinish it, it looks more better, more nicer, more sexy. Okay, so you can install, if you broken your original parts, maybe you need this item, so you can collect this item for the future, you know, for extra options if anything badly happened, if you break your starlet quad light casing, so that maybe you can use it in the next time. Yeah, depends how you're gonna use it. So this is as you can see, this is also the nose made by fiber made. So actually this product, I think you guys can install any of car hoods. It's like a universal type item, universal type product. So I think the car modification lover can convert normal hoods to nose hoods. Okay, so yeah, it's called nose bonnet or nose hoods. So this is the item, actually the hoods, the GT hood noses, and yeah, and the casing. So yeah, this is for today, and I hope you like this video, you like these items. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for today, and yeah, we'll be back in next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, have a nice ride, guys. Bye.
Couldn't even tell that across the finish line.
No face.
Oh, I have faith in you, but this isn't a junkyard, this is a garage.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.